so cute. Okay, this is nice. The cameras might be down here, so we gotta find a person. Excuse me. So here I am. And of course, a guard. Hot up here. Okay. Hi everyone, welcome to my video. I am excited to show you guys an unboxing video today. If you cannot tell by the title, I liked watching this a lot when I was thinking about buying this camera. So I was just like, let me bring you guys one of my own. I definitely liked seeing like the regular, like normal people, not the camera gurus, you know, really like review this camera. So let me get into it already. The pricing, I bought this for $750 from Best Buy. So here's the box. Y'all see my ring light, don't mind her. Here's the box. It is the PowerShot G7X Mark III. This is the latest Canon vlogging camera, so I was so excited to get this. I'm gonna be vlogging a lot from now on, so I'm definitely gonna use this a lot. It was just something that I really wanted, and I did intensive research. I was actually headed to Best Buy today to get the Mark II instead of the Mark III, but when I went inside and actually seen the camera quality for myself against each other, I definitely wanted the G7X Mark III instead of the G7X Mark II. So I was like, I like the quality of this way better because it kind of gave me more of like the sharpness of a Sony, but still the color of a Canon, because everyone knows Canon has the best color. Like, it's the iPhone of freaking cameras, period. I also bought a few things other than that, so let me get into the unboxing. I'm rambling and stuff. It opens like that, of course, whatever. Just opened it. So yeah, it comes with instructions and all of that good stuff on how to use the camera and just everything about this camera, of course. I never really read that stuff. I might go read it just to figure out a couple things, like a couple features on camera. I might flip through it. It also comes with the battery. Let me take this out for you. Comes with the battery. I hear you can buy some good batteries off of Amazon or just anything like that you can use as an extra battery if you're thinking about filming a lot longer than the battery lifespan or whatever. It comes with a little strap. This is so cute. Comes with the typical stuff, like a little strap. I like this, so you know, you can keep it on your hand. I might put this on there. And it comes with a battery charger. I heard that you can also get these in a little instructions for the battery charger and the battery. I heard that you can get this off of Amazon as well if you need extra. Yeah, because this only charges one battery at a time. So if you buy another Canon battery or you buy extra batteries, I would suggest getting another battery charger, or not. Do what you want to do. Okay, now it's time for the camera. It's so sexy. It mattes. I love matte anything. Like, this is really pretty. And it's like a leather feel on it, you guys. So let me try to get it to focus here. This is why I want a new camera, because baby. So the problem that I heard a lot about this camera was the fact that it does not focus really good. Like, I heard like the focusing on this was really bad. But the people that I heard it from bought it like a year ago, like basically when it first came out. So I also was like, maybe they upgraded the camera and it's not the same anymore. Companies do that a lot, and they'll like release the next set with a better whatever, because when you buy something, the thing about it is, you guys, when you buy something when it first come out, just know that you are the test dummies for this product, period. That goes for game systems, cameras, like most technology, you are the test dummy for that product. So if something is manufacturing on that product or it's just not good enough, you guys are the ones that would be complaining and basically help them improve the products. So I like to buy stuff not when it first comes out. Like, I don't know, I've always been like that. So let me put the battery in real quick so I can give y'all like shots with the camera. Can I breathe? I'm sorry, I'm pregnant and it's hot up here. So yeah, put the battery in. It has like a lock thing. It's really cool. I like that. I feel like a vlogger already. Hello. Okay, but when I was in there, I did like test the focusing myself, and I thought the autofocus was really actually pretty decent. I actually thought it was better than the G7X too. So that's my personal opinion. That's what I experienced when I did it. So that was that. It's touchscreen. I don't know how to work this shit. I just fucked up. See y'all selves, you know, see my little setup or whatever. It's definitely too bright right now. You can turn down the brightness. So that's that. That's really good for like if you're in a really, really sunny area. I'm gonna look at myself real quick. This looks so good. Let me put the memory card in here really quick so I can give you guys some shots of like me. But like, I heard that it has like this sunglass filter. I think it's the ND, to where like if you're in the bright, like if you're in bright light, then it's too hot for all this. If you're in bright light, okay, sorry. If you're in bright light, then it will basically automatically darken the camera and the brightness will turn down. You can just turn down the brightness manually, which is probably what I would do so I can have a little bit more control of that. I heard it also has I don't know exactly what it's called, but basically when the camera, my battery is not gonna last long, baby. Basically when the camera gets lighter, when you're in a dark area too, which is what I noticed about why I wanted a Canon over a Sony, because I wanted the Sony SV1, but this did better in the dark, like when it came to how the person looked and stuff like that. So yeah, I was like, well, let me just go with the Canon one. When I tell you I was doing intensive research, don't mind me. Just give me 1 second, guys. It's hot. Okay, I am back. Had to get scissors to open up my memory card. Let me just open this, y'all. But I got the 128 gigabytes. They said it holds a lot of minutes and I need a lot of, here it is. So much to get you out. Where does this enter? Oh, I didn't even show y'all that feature. So here's where they have like the flash, I guess, if you're in a dark or something. There's also that. It has a mic jack as well. So the memory card goes in where the battery goes in. I just figured that out. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm going to take some footage. So my touch enabler is on and I keep accidentally taking pictures. So watch out for that. Like, yeah, don't touch the camera. Don't touch the screen, okay? Calm down. Anyways, so I'm about to just like take some footage on this camera, go outside so y'all can see colors, and basically try to film some of this video on the camera. I think it was pretty worth it so far. Actually, before I do that, I'm gonna show y'all what else I got from Best Buy. So I got this really, really cool camera case. It is hard and you can fit a lot of stuff in here based on your camera. So this is how the thing looks. So yeah, a lot of stuff that, you know, that your camera would need in here. You definitely can fit like cords and just like whatever. I'm gonna start putting a little bit of the stuff in here. Charger. This is how big. This is actually movable. It's Velcro. So you can take this off, you can move it up. It came like with it up like here. You can move it, take it completely off and just like leave stuff in there and have your cords in there. It's really good. It's a really good divider. You can just leave it on the side and Velcro it down. Keep your camera cushioned in there. I'm gonna put the charger actually in this little compartment. I'm gonna keep the charger in that little compartment here. I can keep the camera in here. I'm going to close. So yeah, it fits my camera pretty good. Or not. So I'm just not gonna put that. Oh, that is not what I expected. Okay, hold on. Hold on. So you really can only fit cords in your camera. It's mostly to protect my camera anyway, so I'm not really tripping on that. But I definitely thought I could fit more. She did say if you want something bigger. She knew. Oh yeah, that's fine. Whatever. I'm just setting this up because after I take my video, I'm going to charge my battery so I can take my other video. So give me a second. Recording. Is it recording? Oh yeah. Okay. So let me start off by turning this brightness down. Oh. So you can see me a little bit better. Turn it up just a little bit. Oh. Okay. So you can see me a bit better. Oh, my battery's already about to die. So I'm just gonna do like a few tricks. Let me zoom in on my face. Oh, focus. You're focusing on the wrong thing. There you go. Let me zoom out. And you can zoom in even more than that. This is as far as it zooms in. This is as far, hold on. This is as far as it zooms out. I'm gonna go outside really quick so y'all can just like really see like nature with this camera and stuff like that. So give me 1 second. So I'm trying to catch this camera in different lighting. I definitely have it on automatic. But I'm in the dark, so I'm trying to make it light. While being in the dark, give y'all a good little view, whatever. Now I'm gonna go out in the light. Let it focus. Oh, turn me down. Turn it down a little too much, but I like the way this looks. It's definitely giving. I'm using this as a vlog camera, so I'm definitely not gonna be out in nature that well. Here's like colors like red, white, you know what I'm saying. But well, I'm gonna be in nature, but this is not, I'm not a photographer or anything like that. Let me see. It's really bright right now. It's 5 o'clock, so you know the sun is like sort of down and in your face. So yeah, this is some shots. Let me get some shots of like actual nature. Let's flip the camera and see how well it does. Okay, cool. I don't know if I'm turning it up or turning it down. Okay, here it is. I'm turning it. All right, y'all. Oh, so focus. So I wanted to come back. Bear with me, I'm tired. The camera ended up dying in the middle of all that, and I kind of wanted to come back and kind of show y'all different lightings. Now I'm outside, it's nighttime. I'm gonna kind of show y'all like what it would look like if you were to turn the camera at night. Every time I put on lashes, my freaking eyeballs, y'all. Okay, and now it's not focusing correctly. Oops, let me. Doesn't know what to focus on. Okay, here's the focusing problems. This is my neighborhood though. Oh, I pressed something. It's Servo effect, I guess. So yeah, I messed myself up. But like, this is what it would look like at night. I don't even have any type of flash on or nothing. It actually is way darker out here than what it looks like on camera. Let me just go in the dark and let it lighten up by itself and focus. Okay, so yeah, this is the camera. No, this is the camera. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, and comment down below, and any questions that you have about it, I could probably answer it for you or find the answer for you. I'm logging out. I'm tired, y'all, but see you next time.